itong lowest bid, ito ang pinaka-source sa corruption. So, sinabi ko kila Drilon kagabi, kita man kami, kay sila Ping, sila Unasan, Chis Escudero, do something about this. Yung lowest bid, yun talaga ang pinaka-corrupt. Ang lowest bidder is a 1, 2, 3 guy. Pag manalo yan, it would be a miracle if you really get something of your money's worth that is really the appropriate price as the lowest bid. All yan done. I've been campaigning the entire length and breadth of the country. I have seen naglanding ako kasi parang basketball court. Only to find out, sabi ko, ano to? Sabi, ano yan, Mayor? Yung runway yan, hindi pa natapos. Tapos pinatignan ko doon sa record. Tapos na. Mayroon pa dito isang probinsya, criss-crossing ang highway. Parang may circumferential road. Lahat. Doon sa papel. This has to stop. This has to stop. It is not only bleeding, it's nag-hemorrhage ang taong bayan sa pera na ako. Kaya ako, since I really hit hard against corruption, I myself, I do not entertain yung mga pipatulong ng sorry. I am not really up to it now. Kasi talagang pag may amoy ako, yung asawa ko nga, my wife, ang taga-BR Davao, reklamo yan kasi maraming koleksyon, may pahabol ba? Sige ko bayaran mo na. But she is also making good. Ganun lang yan, but she started itong donut when I was a congressman, and that would be around 1990. Wala ako pagsabi, kolekta, sabi ko, bayaran mo yan. Sumubra ka, bahala na. Eh ngayon, marami ng negosyo. Medyo mayaman, sabihin mo, a few millions in her pocket. Kasi marami na medyo mayaman, sabihin mo, a few millions in her pocket. Kasi marami na siyang donut, about 12, 13. Tapos lahat ng, hindi ka man mayaman niya, siyempre, asawa ka ng mayor. Magsabi ka doon sa mall na magpabili ka ng meat.